Giana mong gusto na ako.
Hi, good evening. Welcome to our vlog. This is Kentoy, my son, my husband, Papa B, eating a shrimp. Okay, Kentoy, tell me about how do you feel the earthquake last night?
It's very shaky and very dangerous. You can feel you feel the shake, Papa B, of your station.
Yes.
It's very big, bright. Dako kay ito, no?
Mm.
Oh, yeah, because I'm so lying.
What will happen if there is an earthquake?
It will be a tsunami.
Are you sure? What is the cause of a tsunami? Your explanation during our traveling time.
Bah!
The ocean will
Broke
cause.
it.
And then
It will cause a tsunami. Because the ocean is like this, and it will be like this bump. It's gonna this, and there will be a big tsunami.
how bigger it is? If you have to compare it with the building, the trees.
Tsunami are caused by volcanoes and landslides, and the earthquake hit of the sea levels, and and the asteroid hit of the ocean. That is right.
My question is,
Not
when you are going to compare a tsunami, how big is it? It is bigger than a tallest tree.
tallest building, tallest
And-
tower.
Tulis? Tulis?
Police.
Tulis? So, we can
Agay! Sakit no!
we can further say that
Sige na!
if the tsunami is tulis than tulis, it's a bandit can to the human life. Do you agree with that?
No!
Why?
Because I want to blow the earth.
If you're going to blow the earth, what will happen?
The asteroid will hit of the earth. That's bigger than the atmosphere of the earth. And the earth will be exploded. Or die. COVID? What? Mama is so smart!
Oh, there's an earthquake caused by Kintoy. Look at Kintoy. He's shaking.
Oh no, it's a real one.
It's your hands making are shaking. Our arms are shaking holding the cell phone. That is why. How far can a tsunami?
It's gonna grow if it's close to the shore. It's gonna grow.
If it's close to the shore?
Yeah.
What will happen if there is a ship in the ocean? Then there will be, as what you have said, the ocean will break into half.
And
Then what if the ship is in the middle, in the center? What will happen?
it's gonna sink.
Sink?
It's gonna break in half.
Two? Like the ocean? What will happen to the ship?
It's gonna sink too.
Gonna sink?
Yeah, because
Well, it depends upon the
Because there's a cruise ship named Behemoth, much bigger than the Titanic, hit by a rogue wave and it sank to the bottom of the sea. Of the sea.
Dusblit ko. Ngayon ang yung English ay straight kaayo.
Rita, Miss Asing is
Oh,
very
this is
involved.
our son. He is already fluent in speaking English, even if he is only 6 years old. But he is having your mom Anlene can your mom listen to me first. Your mom Anlene told to me that it is much better for you to be enrolled in a private school because you are already fluent in English rather than enrolling you in a DepEd because Bisaya, the Bisaya, the mother tongue based is until grade 3. Ang ingnan si Ma'am Anlene na ma'am. Ngayon na yan siya, I feel so bored at igaga. I don't like reading Bisaya. Siya, nindot mo na siya ma'am. Kanayang kanisikin ma'am sa private unta na yung i-enroll. Kaya mabihasa pa kayo na iyang pagka-Englishero. Inainahon pagka-inda ko. Asa tapaingon, kasunod-sunod.